Hey guys, what's crackin'? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie. If you're new here, so hi. You may be asking yourself, Maddie, why are you still on YouTube if you are now TikTok famous? Well, to that, I have to answer, TikTok is terrifying, actually. In case you didn't know, I actually just went very viral on TikTok for a video about Adam Sandler. And I just think that is so ironic because it's like, I put in so much effort for my YouTube videos. I make short films. I have posted so much quality top tier content. And the video that is almost about to hit 1 million likes is about Adam Sandler. Which, of course, of course it is. So I had this idea for this video about a week ago when this trend first started, the Adult Swim trend, and I was like, I gotta do this because this is my thing. I make videos, and then I went viral on TikTok for an Adam Sandler video. So no time like the present. It is currently 10:30 at night, and I've been so busy, and I am so tired. If you can't tell by my cute little eye bags right there, but I am still gonna put out a video for you guys because I am dedicated to my YouTube channel, and I love you all so much, and you're all much nicer than the scary people on TikTok. So let's set the scene, right? So I was in bed last night and I was like, okay, I want to do the Adult Swim trend, not sure how I want to do it, and I don't want to copy something that somebody's already done. So I went under the sound and I literally was scrolling for like probably an hour just watching these TikToks. I turned off the sound and just turned on my own music because the song that they use, the was getting very annoying. I saw so many and I was like, okay, I want to do something with something that I actually enjoy, with something that kind of makes me, I don't know. I just wanted to do something more interesting. And I was like, okay, what's something that I like to do? What's something that I use a lot? And I was like, oh my God, vinyl. And so I looked it up and I saw a couple with vinyl covers, but I didn't see any with the actual vinyl disc. I have lots of empty vinyl lying around because my dad is a musician. So I'm gonna take the vinyl. I have a pen lying around here somewhere, a gold pen, and I'm gonna write AS in parentheses or whatever. And then I'm gonna try to place it above my turntable and then have the record spinning and then stop it so that the Adult Swim thing is like at the front. So hopefully I'll be able to do that. I think let's just get started. Let's get into it because there is no time like the present. Alright, besties. I've got my vinyl. This is my dad's album, Your Gracious Host, Writers of Our Destiny. I have this gold paint pen, and what I'm gonna do is just write AS on it. I also thought while I do this, I would explain this trend because a lot of people don't know what it is, and I feel really special that I knew what it was right away. So you guys know Cartoon Network, I'm sure. If you don't know what Cartoon Network is, you're actually living under a rock. But Cartoon Network's like a kids, preteen, whatever channel. I'm just trying to get the paint to the bottom of this pen, by the way. And they play good shows. I've watched Cartoon Network like my entire life. So after, I don't remember what time it was, it would turn into more of an adult channel, and the adult channel was called Adult Swim. And basically they would play more like adult humored shows. And they would basically play these little clips in between the commercial and the show to show that it was Adult Swim, like the new channel, and that it was more adult programming so that, if parents had kids watching the channel and they were like, oh, turn off the TV once it hits Adult Swim, so you would know that that's what was going on. And I remember back in the day, I would watch Cartoon Network late at night, or if I couldn't sleep, I would go downstairs with my dad sometimes and we would watch like Cartoon Network shows, and then it would switch to Adult Swim and then we'd have to switch it off. So here we go. This is what we've got going on. This stands for Adult Swim, if you couldn't figure that out. I'm just gonna let that dry. And also, yes, my room is a disaster. Please just don't even perceive it.
So I sent extra.
My TikTok just hit 1 million likes. Insane. I can't believe that.
So
You guys are on my desk now because I need to use my tripod. If you want to see my room in prime condition, you can go watch my room tour. Let me grab the vinyl really quick. Okay, so tripod. Why did I say vinyl? The only issue that I might have is that my tripod actually broke like last week. So good news, I found the mic stand. I finally found the piece and it was sitting on my camera the entire time. Good news, I found the mic stand. This is literally so janky, but it is okay. This is my doorstop weight and I have it holding up the camera that's supposed to film me. This is a train wreck, but hopefully it turns out. It's filming time, baby. Okay, let's pray that that turned out. It is getting very late, but I finally finished filming, which took like 6 years, and now I'm gonna edit it, and I am exhausted, but I don't think my commentary will be very helpful editing now, so I'm gonna edit it now, and I'm probably just gonna voice over it so you guys can kind of see the process behind doing that, and then I will show you the final result. Alright, so let's get into editing. Basically, I kind of cheated because I didn't want to use TikTok because I find that TikTok is very hard to edit with, so I am using Final Cut Pro. Obviously, if you don't have Final Cut Pro, don't download it just for TikTok. You can easily use TikTok or iMovie, but I prefer Final Cut, so that's what I'm using. Basically, I downloaded a video from TikTok with the sound so that I could time out how I wanted the video to play out and where I wanted the text to go and when I wanted things to start and end. So I basically just searched through the long clip of me just putting records on and off, and once I found the clip, I shortened it, and then I used the tracker feature to start it zoomed in and then slowly zoom out as the video progressed, because that is what I wanted it to look like. That's kind of how I saw it in my brain. And then I added text because obviously in a lot of these they kind of have these little witty, nearly insulting jokes throughout them that kind of go with whatever's going on in the video, and I chose this all capital text because I thought it looked good. And then I kind of wanted it to spin, but then I changed my mind, so we just went with the straight up zoom out to zoom in. So yeah, I played around with the text a little bit, and that's what you're seeing here. So then after the text, I added in a LUT over top of it because I wanted it to have more of a cool gray tone to it because I just thought that would look cool. So I went into the LUTs that I've downloaded and picked one that I knew kind of had that color tone to it, and then I just adjusted it to how I liked it. I also used this overlay to be able to crop it to the size of the actual TikTok. I actually ended up having to crop it once again once it hit my camera roll on my phone, but after that I just did a couple more last minute adjustments, downloaded onto my laptop, and then airdropped it to my phone to post. So now you get to see the final result. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for sticking with me through this. It's been a long process. It took me about 2 hours, but we did it. We're here, we did it. I am currently apparently TikTok famous. Not really, I'm totally kidding. But yeah, I guess go follow me on TikTok. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe here because this is actually my job. But yeah, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see me do next this summer. And I will see you all next time. I love you all so much. Bye.